And one of the things is, although Jews were very prominent, or people of Jewish background were very prominent in anthropology, including the most famous anthropologist of the 20th century, a man named Boas. But one of the things, more conservative aspect of anthropology was in archaeology. And quite frankly, there was quite a bit of race prejudice and anti-Semitic prejudice. Given the history of archaeology, there's a good explanation for that. So I guess I irritated some of those senior archaeologists, and because it became apparent to them that I was of Jewish origin, although I never had mentioned that. And I remember one of the graduate students in anthropology telling me, said they're going to throw you out of here. But it should be remembered that when that graduate student, the advice he gave me, in addition to warning me that I was going to be tossed out, but they gave me $300, which was a lot of money at that time in 1950. But he said, when you get back to Columbia, make sure you get in touch with somebody from the CPUSA, Communist Party of the U.S., which I didn't do, but it's interesting, the contrast between the graduate student and at least the one professor who forced me out.